Deleting a mnemonic phrase from a hardware wallet, does that make it possible to recover if having access to the hardware wallet, or is it still vulnerable from theft after deleting it from the hardware wallet and only having the backup? Harry, in most cases, deleting the mnemonic phrase from the hardware wallet ensures that it is permanently deleted. I think that is certainly the case in hardware wallets that use a secure element and in hardware wallets that have modern firmware that are very careful to make sure that they properly erase and overwrite with randomness the embedded flash memory, effectively, that is in the hardware wallet. If we're talking about a lot of money and you intend to keep it in cold storage permanently and keep it only as a backup of the mnemonic phrase, I would erase the hardware wallet, I would microwave the hardware wallet, and then I would hit it with a hammer many, many times. Why not? I am very sure the memory will not survive that. Microwave ovens, turns out, you can do more than just reheating stuff with it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. All my work is shared for free, so if you want to support it, join me on Patreon.